Can you solve this tricky geometry question asked in SAT exam? We are given a right-angled triangle. Inside this triangle, a blue shaded square is placed in such a way that this distance from the bottom right corner of the square to the adjacent edge of the triangle is 10 units. And this distance from the top left corner of the square to the upper edge of the triangle is 8 units. And the question is to find the area of this blue shaded square. You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it. And when you're ready, you can always come back to verify your answer. Alright, let's get started. But before we begin, let us define the side of this square as x units. We know that area of square is calculated by squaring its side. That means the area of this square is x squared, right? Now focus on these two green triangles formed on either side of the square. This angle here is equal to this angle by the corresponding angles rule. And this angle equals this angle because both are right angles. That means these two triangles are similar by the angle-angle similarity test. So using the ratios of similar triangles, we have the height of the first triangle divided by the height of the second triangle equals the base of the first triangle divided by the base of the second triangle. So substituting the values we get, 8 divided by x equals x divided by 10. And by cross multiplication, we get x times x equals 8 times 10. And simplifying this, we get x squared equals 80. But wait, did you notice something? This is same as our area of square expression. So substituting the values as x squared equals 80 in our area expression, we get area of this blue shaded square is equal to 80 square units. And that's our final answer. Pretty amazing, right? Just one smart use of theorems, and we got our answer. But wait, before you go, here is a quick bonus challenge for you. Can you find the area of this same blue shaded square in terms of a variable x and variable y instead of numbers? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments below. Let us see who can figure it out. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new, do not forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-bending math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.